Hello everyone. So here is a question of botany. Please see the question. यहाँ पर दो लिस्ट दिया हुआ है और हमें मैचिंग करना है. बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन है. देखो यहाँ पर 4 क्लोरोफिल का पिगमेंट दिया हुआ है. नंबर 1 इज क्लोरोफिल ए, नंबर 2 क्लोरोफिल बी, नंबर 3 xanthophyll and number 4 carotenoid. Now we know all these 4 are 4 different pigments for different types of chlorophyll present in green plants. Now we have to match each of this pigment with their color. अब ये कलर हमें कहाँ से मिलेगा? देखो एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, उसका नाम है क्रोमाटोग्राम. क्रोमाटोग्राम. सो ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है क्रोमाटोग्राम, this instrument can help us to differentiate between 4 different pigments of chlorophyll. मान लो हम क्लोरोफिल ए को क्रोमाटोग्राम में देखेंगे तो क्रोमाटोग्राम will give us a different color for chlorophyll A. Chromatogram will give us another different color for chlorophyll B, another color for xanthophyll and different color for carotenoid. So chromatogram can differentiate these 4 pigments. So it is a basic theoretical problem. We have to know which chlorophyll will give which color in chromatogram. So please remember, chlorophyll A will give bright or blue-green color in chromatogram, while chlorophyll B will give yellowish green in chromatogram. These are theoretical knowledge. Xanthophyll, it is very easy. Xanthophyll will give yellow color in chromatogram, and the last one, carotenoid, will give yellow to yellow orange color in chromatogram. Now you have to know these 4 knowledge, these 4 concepts, theories to answer the question. Now you just match it and give the answer. So chlorophyll A will give a blue-green color, chlorophyll A with blue-green, so A will go with 3. Chlorophyll B will give yellowish green, so option B will go with option 2. Xanthophyll will go with yellow and carotenoid will go with yellow to yellow orange according to chromatogram. Now you see which option is correct. So A will be with 3. So in option 3 and 4 we can see A is with 3 and option B will be with 2. So in option 3 we can see option B is with 2, option C with 4 and option D with 1. So our answer is option number 3. Thank you all.